Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making some jerk chicken wings. It's a little bit, I'm actually recording on my phone today because I have the Google Pixel 4 XL, which is a really amazing quality, and I just wanted to try it out. And I also got a ring light for for Christmas, so I also wanted to try out the ring light as well. So I'm just giving them both a try today. I'm making some jerk chicken wings. What I did was I washed and cleaned and patted dry a couple of chicken wings. I didn't use the entire pack, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and season it. So I'll tell you guys exactly what I seasoned my jerk wings with. So I'm gonna go ahead first, and basically everything is to taste. I'm not measuring anything. I have some homemade green seasoning here. The ingredients, even though the measurements are not gonna be in the description box, the ingredients are gonna be in the description box, so you can still check out the ingredients at least. So I went ahead and added some green seasoning. I'm now gonna add some homemade blended up onion, garlic, and pepper in there. And please feel free to, cooking is when I first started, I was so rigid and I was like, okay, I can only put this much of this and this much of this. But honestly, as you're cooking, you might want to add some more ingredients as you go along. So that's just what it is. I'm gonna then add some salt in there. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add some MSG. Brown sugar is also my little trick that my mom taught me to add in my jerk chicken wings. And just add some brown sugar in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Superior dark soy sauce as well. So just a little bit of that in there. And it wouldn't be jerk chicken wings without obviously the jerk seasoning, and I use the jerk seasoning from Grace. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and going to put my jerk seasoning in there, probably like 2 spoonfuls. Go ahead and use your hands or a spoon, whatever you prefer. I prefer using my hands to just mix all of those ingredients together and season it up. So I just have my parsley flakes, just gonna put a little bit of it in my hand and throw it over top of my chicken wings, like so, and just mix that into the marinade as well. So the way my mom taught me to do it, to taste it, and to make sure that it's to your liking, is to just a little bit of the marinade on your finger and just try it basically and see if you need to add anything else to your liking. But basically those are the ingredients that I use for my marinade. At this point, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge so that all of the juices can nicely flow together before I pop it in the oven. If you don't have time to put it in the fridge and let it marinate, that's okay. You can just go ahead and put it in the oven. But I'm just gonna give it maybe like 20 minutes or whatever in the fridge, and then I'm going to put it in the oven at 375 for about 30 minutes to let it bake, because I really like to bake chicken wings, okay? Here it is here. So at this point, my oven is ready. My chicken wings have been marinating a little bit in the fridge, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in at 375 for about 30 minutes. So at this point, everything is all finished. It was cooking for 30 minutes, and then I just put it on a broil for about 2 minutes so that it gets this nice golden brown exterior, and it's all done, ready to be eaten. I hope you enjoy this recipe and you try it out for yourself.